Let's talk about dreams. Imagine going to bed in the night and you wake up the next morning and totally forgot what you dreamt about. Do you sometimes forget your dreams when you wake up the next morning? Dreams are important. God speaks to us in so many ways, and especially through dreams. Dreams reveal the state of our being, spiritually and physically. It is a bridge that connects the things of the spirit to the physical. It reveals both the dangers and the good things that lies ahead of you. But do you always remember your dreams after waking up, or you sometimes forget your dreams? Dreams are so important, and that's why you don't have to joke with your dreams. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to remember every dream after waking up, 100% guaranteed. But before that, please subscribe to this channel as it helps you to improve in all areas of life. Now, let's go to the video. Remembering dreams can be a challenge, but there are several effective techniques you can use to improve your dream recall. If you really want to remember every dream, make sure to follow each of the steps. Number 1, be still. Too much activities bring noise into our spirit. Many people forget their dreams because they just jump out of bed. But if you want to remember your dream, when you wake up from sleep, don't just jump out of your bed. Be still. Just lie down and open up your spirit. Dreams don't store in brains, but are locked up in your spirit. So be still. Wake up slowly. Take a moment to lie down and think about your dreams whilst your eyes are closed before getting out of bed. This can help you retain the memories before they fade. Close your eyes and lie still and begin to think about what you saw in your dreams, and you will remember all of them. Number 2, keep a dream journal. Place a notebook and a pen by your bedside and write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Try to capture as many details as possible, including emotions, characters, and settings. Emotion is what happened, what you felt. Characters are the people involved in the dream, and settings are the places you saw in the dream. Even if you can only remember fragments or certain aspects of the dream, jot them down. The act of recording your dreams reinforces the memory and encourages dream recall over time. Number 3, set an intention. Before going to sleep, tell yourself that you will remember your dreams. This mental cue can improve your chances of recall. Always tell yourself, I will remember my dreams. Pray before you go to bed, and this is one supernatural amazing things that will help you recall all your dreams. Number 4, stay consistent with sleep patterns. Aim for a regular sleep schedule. Consistent sleep can enhance the quality of your REM, rapid eye movement, which normally happens when you are still sleeping. Your eyes move around rapidly in different directions, so when you wake up, consider these things: your REM sleep, where most of your dreams occur. Number 5, use alarm clocks wisely. It's so easy to forget a dream in the wake of alarms and the early morning rush out the door. Don't use an alarm to wake yourself up if you don't have to. If you wake up during a dream phase, try to record your dreams immediately. Consider using an alarm that gently wakes you during lighter sleep. Don't use an alarm clock that is so loud that will wake you up and make you rush into time. Try to set it off 5 or 10 minutes earlier. Giving yourself time to ask, where was I just now, may be the only boost to dream recall that you will need. Number 6, limit anything that will cause a distraction in the night before going to bed. Substances like drugs and other things can interfere with sleep cycles and dream recall, so reducing or avoiding them will help you remember all your dreams. Number 7, reflect on your day. Spend a few minutes each evening thinking about your day and what you want your dream to be. This can influence your dream content and improve a recall. Talk about good things. Imagine good things before you go to bed. All these things will help you remember your dreams. Number 8, meditation and mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can also help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, which may help translate into a better dream recall. Number 9, get enough sleep. Longer sleep durations increase the chances of experiencing more REM sleep, where most vivid dreaming occurs. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. And number 10, visualize your dreams. If you remember a dream, spend a few minutes visualizing it in your mind during the day. This can strengthen the memory of the experience. And that's it for you. By combining these techniques, you can significantly improve your ability to remember your dreams over time. Hey friends, if you've learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, see you again in our next video. God bless you.